Welcome to this two-bedroom townhouse for sale in Paris, South Africa for R499,000. Two-bedroom townhouse with open-plan lounge dining area. Kitchen with ample wooden cupboards and double basin and freestanding stove. The two large bedrooms are fitted with lovely big wooden cupboards. Two bathrooms, one full with shower and bath and the other with toilet and basin. Extra room with sliding door opening towards the carport, that can be used as either a TV lounge or a study, or third bedroom. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.